Kids, welcome to the English class. In this class, we are going to learn long sound of E, that is double E, and long sound of O, that is double O. Let's start. Let's open page number 119 of your English book. And here the topic is long vowel sounds, double E and double O. So, long vowel sound E and O. We have to say these sounds loudly. E. Okay. E. Like this. Now activity. Read the words given below. Circle the words that have long vowel E sound as in green. Now here E is written twice. Double E. So you have to say this voice loudly and stretch this E sound. Green. Okay. Loudly you can say green. Now read. Sheep. Okay, so here long sound of E is there, circle it. Sheep, ship, no. Sleep, you can stretch the E sound here, circle it. Slip, no. Green, yes. Wheel, yes, circle it. Well, no. Grin, no. Tree, yes, double E, circle it. And three. Yes, long sound is there, so circle it. Now second, B. In the picture below, circle all the objects that have long E sound. So in the picture given below, this picture you have to circle all the objects with long sound of E. Like tree, circle it, long sound of E. Tree. Jeep, circle it. Bee, circle. Sheep, circle. Sleep, circle. Wheel, circle it. Okay. So here and one more, three. Three is also having long sound. Okay. So the words you have circled here, you have to find out here also. So we have found sheep, wheel, sleep, tree, green and three. Green, this is green color, so you can circle it, green. Okay, done. Now come to page number 120. Open page number 120. And the activity is what? Look at the pictures and write a word that rhymes with the word in red. So you have to find the rhyming word, just like poem. And you have to see the picture also. Look at the picture and find the rhyming word for bees. The bees are near the trees. Rhyming word of bees, trees. So write down here trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Now second picture. Can I sweep near the jeep? Sweep, jeep. Rhyming word of sweep, jeep. Sweep, jeep. Okay. Now, do you need this seed? Need, seed. Rhyming word of need, seed. Seed. Okay. Rhyming word of need, seed. We can meet to eat sweet. We can meet to eat sweet. Okay, sweet. We can meet to eat sweet. So, these are all long sound of E words. Trees, jeep, need, meet, seed. Okay. Now come to page number 121. Page number 121. And here double O sound as in book. Now O has long sound also and O has short sound also. Double. Okay. Like here foot. Here the sound of double O is what? Foot. Soft, what? Soft sound. And here hard sound. Boot. Okay, boot, long. Now read these words first. These, all the pictures they are having the what? Double O sound as soft sound. Foot, hook, wood, wool, book, cook. Okay. And this double O sounds like we are pronouncing a. Foot, hook, wood, wool, book, cook. Okay. Foot, hook, wood, wool, book, cook. Here the sound is the long one. Boot, broom, spoon, hoop, moon, pool and zoo. Here is the long sound of O. We have to stretch the sound of O. Boot, but you can't say foot. It is foot. Here boot, broom, spoon, hoop, moon, pool and zoo. Okay? Let's open page number 122 and read. Look at each picture and say its name. Write the name below the picture. So here are pictures. You have to find the correct word from this block, yellow block, and write it here. So this is hook. What is this? This is hook. Number 1, hook. Where it is? Where hook is written? Here. Hook. Ha. U. K. Hook. Hook. What is this? Hoop. Hula hoop. Number 2, hoop. Write hoop. Ha. Double O. H. Double O. P. Hoop. Wood. What is this? Wood. 3 now. Wood. Write wood. Wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. Here book. Book. 4th number is book. Right here book. Book. Okay. Moon. Number 5 is moon. Number 5 is moon. Moon. Number 5 moon. Okay. And number 6 stool. Number 6 stool. Long sound of O. Stool. Moon. Okay. Now read hook. Hook. Not long. Hoop. Wood. Short. Book. Short. Moon. And stool. Long sound of. Okay. Now come to page number 123 of your book. Page number 123. And now match each word to the picture. So here are some pictures. Here are words. You have to do matching. So read the first word. Boot. No. Boot. What is this? Boot. Where is boot? Boot means shoes. Here. Okay. So put number 1 to boot and number 1 to the picture of boot. Okay. Don't draw lines. Now next word. Spoon. Put number 2. Spoon. Where is spoon? Here it is. So put number 2. Spoon. Number 3. Wool. Number 3. Wool. Number 3. Wool. Wool. Here wool is there. Wool ball. So write number 3. Number 4. Broom. Broom. Where is broom? Here it is. Put number 4 here. Broom. Then number 5. Pool. Swimming pool. Where is the pool? Pool is here. Put number 5. Now foot. Number 6. Foot. Where is foot? Here it is. 6 number foot. Cook. Cook. 7 number cook. 8 zoo. Where's the zoo? Zoo is here. Put number 8. Zoo. Okay. So complete page number 123. Do matching with numbers. Okay. Do matching with numbers. Okay. Kids, now write down long, la, ong, L-O-N-G, long, sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound, off, O-F, off, E, okay, long sound of E, and that is double E, long sound of E. Now write the words. Number 1, free, free. Free. I am free now. Number 2. Okay. Tree. Tree. Free and tree. They are rhyming words. Bee. B, long sound of E. Okay, stretch the sound. B. Sweet, sweet, sweet. SW swa, double ET, sweet. Okay, seed, seed. S double E D, seed. Okay, sweep, sweep. SW swa, eep, sweep. And weep, weep means crying, weep. W double E P, weep. Now rhyming word of weep, jeep. J double E P, jeep. Okay, read from starting. Free, tree, bee, sweet, seed, sweep, weep, jeep. Number 9, 3, 3, THR double E, 3, 3. Number 10, sheep, sheep. Number 10, sheep. Okay, number 10, sheep. Number 11, green, green, GREE, green. Or more words you can write. Okay, free, tree, bee, sweet, seed, sweep, weep, jeep, 3, sheep and green. So these are all long sound of E. Okay, E. Kids, write heading long, L-O-N-G, long. Sound SOUND, sound of, 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 O, and that is double. Okay, long sound of O, that is double. Now tell me the words. Number 1, boot, boot. Okay, boot, double O, long sound of. Spoon, spoon. SP spa, double O-N, spoon. Moon, MOON, moon. Then number 4, broom. Number 4, broom, BR, double O-M, broom. Number 5, boot, spoon, moon, broom. Number 5, hoop, hoop. Okay, hoop. So these are having long sound. And now number 6. Okay, write number 6. Zoo, zoo. Okay, zoo. Number 7. Pool, pool. Number 8. Number 8 is broom. Broom we have written. Spoon we have written. Moon we have written. Now I am taking some short O, like book, book, book. Okay, book. Number 9, cook, book, cook, book, cook. Number 10, foot, foot. Number 11, wood, wood. And number 12, wool. Number 12, wool. Okay, so read these spellings and write down. Boot, in here double O sound is like bada O. Ooh, boot. Spoon, moon, broom, hoop, zoo, pool, book. Now here, book, short. Cook, slow sound. Foot, wood and wool. Okay, so complete this.